powder and some garlic powder, some parsley. Oh, one more thing. I'm holding the camera, y'all, so bear with me. Like a little earthquake, I'm sorry. And some paprika. And I'm gonna mix this up. So we're gonna mix this up with my hands. With my hands, y'all. So what is my meat? I'm just playing. But we're gonna mix this up. Make sure all the seasonings are in there. Make sure you clean your meat. And then I'm gonna drop the meat inside here in the skillet. Oh, I'm making Caesar salad. I wasn't gonna do no video, but I said I'm gonna go ahead and do y'all a little quick little video. It ain't gonna be no long video. Just something quick. Alright, we're gonna let that cook. Stay tuned, y'all. Going back. We're gonna mix this up really quick. You wanna mix your meat up, make sure it gets cooked. Oh, it smells good already, y'all. Period. So while that's cooking over here, I'm gonna go over here and start chopping up the lettuce and the tomatoes and get that going. Y'all with me? Okay. Stay with me. My tomatoes, so I'm finna dice these bad boys up, y'all. Fresh, good tomatoes too.